Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chrysler 300 grill. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new grill. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Having everything ready before you start saves time and prevents frustration, making the job much easier to complete. Now, let's get started on removing the old grill. Begin by opening your hood and locating the retaining clips or screws that secure the grill. Use your trim tool or screwdriver to carefully detach these fasteners. Some models may require removing the entire bumper cover to access the grill, which involves removing several push pins and bolts. Once all fasteners are loose, gently pull the old grill away from the vehicle's front. Be mindful of any electrical connections for lights. With the old grill removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new grill with the mounting points on the vehicle. If your bumper was removed, lay it face down to install the grill. Secure the new grill using the original clips or screws, ensuring each one is properly seated and tightened. Double-check that all fasteners are snug to prevent any rattling or looseness. This step is crucial for a secure and lasting installation. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Gently push and pull on the new grill to verify it's firmly seated and doesn't wobble. Close the hood and step back to admire the overall appearance of your Chrysler 300 with its fresh new look. Remember to dispose of your old grill responsibly. You've successfully replaced your grill, enhancing your vehicle's aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.